JBN, we keep you informed. I am Michelle Jones, and in the news, stolen cows recovered in Juici Patties truck. 3 men in custody. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. 3 men were arrested in St. Anne this morning, and the Juici Patties truck was seized following the recovery of stolen cows. The truck with the stolen livestock was intercepted by cops during an operation. The police are now searching for another truck that's believed to be carrying more stolen animals. The police report that information was received about 10 o'clock this morning that Predale thieves had reportedly stolen about 15 cows between Alexandria and K Valley in the parish overnight. An operation was then set up and a truck carrying 6 cows was stopped. The 3 men aboard the truck were arrested. The registration plate of the truck was checked and the truck owned by Juici Beef, the police said in a statement Friday afternoon. Police personnel at Alexandria Police Station indicated that persons said to be owners of the stolen cows are coming forward. The police say an update will be provided when more information is available. JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.